The Quran tells us 5 things. Number 1, they did not kill him. Number 2, they did not crucify him, because they had 2 objectives. They wanted him killed, but they also wanted him killed in a particular way, crucifixion. So Allah says, you did not achieve objective number 1. You did not achieve objective number 2. And then Allah went on to say, وَلَكِنْ شُبِّهَ لَهُمْ. Allah made it appear like that. And then Allah says in Surah Ali Imran and again in Surah Al-Ma'idah that Allah took his soul. Ya Isa in Surah Ali Imran, Inni mutawaffika wa rafi'uka ilayya. I am going to take your soul. This is the honest translation of the verse. I am not impressed with the other translation. I'm going to take you. No. Wafat is taking of the soul at the time of death. And we have the dua in Salatul Janaza, in which the word of wafat occurs.